Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Oh, y'all, I had to come on here and show y'all these little lemon cheesecake crescent bars. So easy and so good, y'all. Let me show you what I did. You need 2 packs of cream cheese. Got me some sugar, some melted butter. I got 2 crescent roll packs, but I only used 1. 2 lemons, a mixing bowl, and a baking pan. Go ahead and put some foil in that baking pan and spray it down real good. Get half of that crescent roll and put it at the bottom, y'all. Make sure you get all the edges where the edges need to be. Now we're going to make that filling, y'all. That cream cheese filling, bitch. Okay, mix that first. Make sure you get all the lumps out of there, y'all. We want this bad boy smooth before we add anything to it. Then you're going to scrape the sides, add you about a half a cup of sugar. Don't even worry about it. I'm going to have the recipe in the description because y'all going to have to make this. And then just mix that till it's smooth as hell, y'all. Then you're going to get you some lemon zest. Don't ask me why I did it in a whole nother bowl. I could have just did it right over the stuff. But anyway, then put some lemon juice in there. Mix that up real quick. And then just put it right on top of the crescent dough, y'all. Okay, once you get that on there, just smooth it out. Make sure you get all the edges. Make sure it's flat. And for real, if you know, you know. Because if you're making anything with cream cheese, it take a minute. You got to make the shit. You got to bake the shit. Then they got to cool. Then they got to go in the refrigerator for like, really, honestly, overnight. But I get that bad boy like 3 or 4 hours before it really just, get to how it need to get. But hey, it's worth it in the end, man. You can take your ass down to the store and buy something, but it ain't gonna be this good. Okay? Okay, once that's smooth, get your other piece of crescent dough and put that right on top. And get them edges down. It's gonna be looking like this right here. Melt you some butter. Just go ahead and put that right on top, y'all, all over. Just make sure it's saturated, okay? Then you're gonna get you some more lemon zest, right? With a little sugar in there. Put that shit right on top. Oh, it's gonna be like a little lemony, sugary little crust on top. Bitch. Spread it out a little bit. It's gonna look like this right here, y'all. Then we're going in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350. Oh, it came out like this, y'all. So good, golden brown. Let it cool for about 30 minutes. Then it's going in the refrigerator for at least an hour, y'all. I left mine in there overnight. They came out like this right here. So rich, so creamy, so lemony and good. I showed you what to do. Go make some.